Come gather near. Science facts you'll love to hear. Amazing things we'll explore. Let's dive in and learn some more. 70% of Earth's so blue is covered in water. Now that's true, but only a little, just 1% is fresh and clear. That's what we meant.
Light zooms faster than you can see, 6,000 miles per second. We, around the Earth, it races so bright, 7.5 times in just one light. Your body's made of trillions. Wow, that's a lot. 37 trillion cells all working on the spot. Your heart beats fast, about 100K every single day, come what may.
Stars in the sky so bright and grand, more than sand on every land. When you look up at night so deep, a universe so vast, wide and steep. Trees and plants, they work all day, making oxygen so we can play. One big tree helps for breathe free. Nature's superheroes, don't you agree? The moon is far, a mighty flight, 238,000 miles, just right, like driving around the world 10 times or so. That's how far our moon likes to go.
Science is fun, it's really cool. Keep exploring, it's the best tool. Who knows what facts you'll find someday? Keep curious and light your way.